Hi friends, I am Jyodhimani Kalyanam, Sridhanya Smart Service. We are providing cutting floaters, cutting floater dealer. All the type of cutting floater we are providing. So if you want the cutting floater, please contact and message me WhatsApp. Okay, let's go on the video. Please stay on our channel. Now we are talking about the flat cables, relay cable and strip, ESP strip. Okay. What is the use of these cables and strips and flat cable? You can see all the cutting floaters and laser cutting machines. If any one strip in a machine to motherboard to the spare. In this cable, the name is called by the flat cable. This is motherboard connect to the motherboard, and it is connected to the spare in the sensor, carriage sensor. This is a ESP strip. This is called a Saga ESP strip, motherboard to USB port. This flat cable used in JK cutting floater, carriage to motherboard. So all the type of flat cable in motherboard to the spare. First of all, if any problem to spare, first of all we check it must in flat cable only. There is any damage in flat cable, so immediately change to cables. Then only cutting floater running smoothly. Spare, no change the spare. No need to change spare, because if any strip problem, you can change the strip. Then you can check it the machine, and that is okay. So in this video, very helpful to you, useful to you. So please subscribe our channel, like, comment, share. Please try on our channel. Thank you. I am Jyodhimani Kalyanam.